This is Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion drill driver and impact driver combo kit, the KC18DGL. It is the ideal kit for precision drilling and driving applications. The kit includes the DS18DGL driver drill that boasts 400 inch-pounds of torque in an ergonomic and lightweight design. This drill only weighs 3.7 pounds. The kit also includes the WH18DGL impact driver. It weighs only 3.1 pounds, yet is capable of delivering 2,400 RPM and up to 3,200 beats per minute, enabling a wide range of driving and tightening applications. Also included are two different 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, a 1.3 amp hour and a 2.5 amp hour, for fade-free power, less weight, and 3 times the total battery life of traditional batteries. A quick charger, carrying bag, and a double-sided number 2 Phillips bit. The drill is ideal for installation, electrical, HVAC, and other trade applications such as woodworking and fine finish work. And the impact driver delivers the extra power needed for driving stubborn screws and bolts. The kit comes with Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty, 2-year lithium-ion battery warranty, and 1-year lithium-ion charger warranty.
Introducing the Milwaukee M18 cordless half-inch compact drill driver, the shortest, most compact drill driver in its class. Perfect for the pro who operates in tight spaces, this tool will help get the job done faster with less effort. It may be small, but it's big when it comes to power, thanks to its rugged Milwaukee motor and all-steel gearbox. Built to last, the M18 compact drill driver is powered by the revolutionary M18 compact lithium-ion battery. It also accepts the M18 XC battery for longer runtime and increased performance. For superior power in a compact package, choose the Milwaukee M18 cordless half-inch compact drill driver. Powered by lithium-ion, protected by DPM. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 cordless quarter-inch hex compact impact driver. It's the fastest impact driver in its class. Delivering 2,200 RPM and 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, it drives faster and runs longer than the competition. Scaled to fit the professional who operates in tight spaces. Powered by a rugged Milwaukee 4-pole frameless motor, this compact impact driver has all the power you'll need to get the job done. The quarter-inch hex quick change chuck allows for easy bit changes, and the lightweight M18 compact lithium-ion battery is the most powerful in its class, while still offering longer runtime. For superior power in a compact package, choose the Milwaukee M18 cordless quarter-inch hex compact impact driver, powered by lithium-ion, protected by DPM.
This is the CLPK232-181 combo kit from Bosch. It includes the DDS-181A drill driver and the 25-618 impact driver. This kit is great for the wood drilling and metal fastening jobs that general contractors, furniture installers, carpenters, HVAC, electrical, and plumbing pros tackle every day. The drill driver features all metal gears for optimal power transmission and durability. This drill is a great option for drilling pilot holes into decking and frame lumber all day. The new half-inch auto-lock all-metal chuck lets you easily switch out bits. The improved soft grip handle and design make the tool comfortable to hold, and the near 8-inch driver head gives you better balance and control. Improved air vents mean greater dust and drip resistance. When you've got lots of fastening to do, the impact driver gives you high productivity and maneuverability. It features all metal gears and a high-performance motor. 1,500 inch-pounds of torque power through the toughest applications, and 2,800 RPM or 3,200 BPM give you fast results. Change out bits fast with the quarter-inch hex drive. And at a very compact 3.5 pounds, this impact driver gets into tight spaces while it's comfortable to use all day. Both tools have LEDs with afterglow to light up your work area and a gauge to track the battery charge. The kit comes with a charger, two 2.0 amp-hour slim pack batteries, and a soft tool bag. The CLPK232-181 combo kit from Bosch contains an essential pair of drivers for your demanding drilling and driving jobs. Check out this page to learn more, and be sure to explore the rest of the Bosch cordless tool lineup.
Looking for more power from an impact? It's time to go brushless. LXT Brushless. Introducing the 18-volt cordless impact driver. 50% longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer life. It provides 1,400 20-inch pounds of max torque and up to 2,300 impacts per minute. LXT Brushless means there are no brushes to replace ever. A magnetic force generated through the windings means less friction